So I'm going to be changing out some colors in this template. I sell this one Etsy. So if you buy any of my templates or if you buy it from anybody on Etsy and it's editable in Canva, this is what you want to do. So for that layer that I have selected right there, you just go to dual tone and you can choose what color you want this to be. So I know that I want it to be blue. And so that shade of blue looks fine to me, or I can lighten it a little bit. Or if I got a specific hex code, I can enter that right there. That's where I will put the specific hex code, but that one looks good to me. So the next item I want to go to is the 2024. So I go to layers, look for that particular item in the layers, and I want to go click on color and choose the blue. And the next item I'm going to do is the graduate. So I'm going to find that in my layers. Let's see where it is. It's probably up top. It's right there. And I'm going to work on changing the outline color to, I want it to be more of the blue color. So let's go to effects. Go to dual tone. And dual tone is actually for that silver right there. So it gets confusing sometimes. So when you go to effects, you just click on one and then you see that it's the outline. And then that's how I know that I'm going to work on the outline, because I'll just choose that blue. And if I don't really know what shade of blue, on some of these you're able to choose the eyedropper, but this particular one, don't think the eyedropper was there. Let's go to effects. I need to first go to that particular layer. It's the graduate one. Okay. Let's go to effects and go to shadows and its outline. And see here, I don't see the eyedropper. And I'm on my phone, so I just have to pretty much remember what that hex code is or write it down somewhere so that I can change it right there. And let's see if that looks like it matches. That looks like it matches good enough. If I really want to know what it is, all I got to do is go to layers and I can click on that 2024. Let's see, where's the 2024? Click on that. Go to my effects, outline, not the outline. It is the color. And that color is right there. There's the hex code. Gotta go back. It's 0D2AA9. So if I really want that hex code, I can copy it. Copy. And then I can go back to my graduate, go to my layers, because when you're working in multiple layers, this is the best way to get to all your layers. Go to the graduate, and then I want to go to that color, go back to effects, shadows, outline, and then I want that color, and I'm going to just put the color there. Now I'll have the exact color that I need. So now I want to change the next item, and I'm going to work on that Jarvis Christian University, and it's that layer. So now I'm going to change that to blue, and it already picks up the colors that I most recently used. That's why that particular blue is there. Now I'm going to work on those blurs. So I'm just going to click back on the design, and I am working off my phone, so things may look a little differently than on the computer, but I work easily from my phone. So here we go. I'm going to change this particular blur. And I'm going to go to, see, in effects. Nope, it's not in effects because I didn't see anything. So I know right there is in my adjust. So I touch on that. And then I want it to be blue. So I can just find the shade of blue that I want. So that's why I was saying when it's already like blue, you can change it easily to other shades when you're already at blue. Blue allows you to change it to all these other colors. That's why I like to design a lot of things that I sell in blue, because then the customer can easily change it. Okay, so now I want to go to my layers again and get the other blur that is still burgundy. That's the other blur. And I'm going to go to my adjust. And then I'm going to touch on it again. And then I'm just going to take it down to where I want it to be. To know which number I chose, all I would do is go back to the last blur. See, go to that blue one. And let's look at what I changed that to, what number, so you can remember which number you need it to be. And it's actually at 0 because that's what the original color of it was. So let's go to the second blur and let's get that color from that purple look to blue. Let's go to adjust, color edit, and let's take it to 0. Now it'll be the same color blue. And now we just have one more item to change. Congrats. And now I just want to go to my color and change it to blue. Oh, I do want to change the little girl. So let's go to layers again. And I want to change her cap and gown to blue. See, where is that? Okay, touch on her. And now I want to go to my adjust. And I'm going to touch on it. And I'm going to put that to 0 as well. Now I'm at the same shade of blue. So that's how I would do that. And then if you save this as a PNG, I'm going to save it so you can see. If you download and save it as a PNG, I'm just going to do just page 1. I'm going to download it. And then I'm going to bring it back into Canva so I can just show you something. So in Canva, I'm going to use a new design. And then what I want to show you is how you can take the whole thing once you've designed it and go over to color edit. Once you've already saved it as a, I just moved that. So let me go back, click the back button because it changed her color of her complexion. So color edit, anytime you mess up, just undo and it'll take it right back to where it needs to be. So I'm going to go and click on this blue. So with this blue, now that everything is done and it's a PNG, now you could just change it one time to change it to all these colors. That's why I like to design in blue. If you have any questions, just let me know in the chat and in the comment section or anywhere that I post this. Let me know what questions you may have or any other videos that you may want to see. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye.